Good morning, everybody. I am not sure why my camera is not focusing, but I want to show you guys deals on Saving Star. Now, Saving Star, some of these deals you got to add to your account right away. I know I've been doing some deals and people are like, it's not on my Saving Star. It's because you need to add it right away. Best day to check it is on Sunday because that is when they add stuff and they limit this stuff. So it's like if they only have a deal for like 100 people, then you got to make sure you click it. But here we got Del Monte fruit cups when you spend $12 or more. They got Zone products, which I never buy it, and I don't know why my camera is not zooming very well. Okay, we're just gonna back up. So we got new eggs, Gasic, X-Lac. Now here we got $1 off a tube body wash for Dial, Benefiber. We got citrus. I'm gonna add that because there's been a deal with that. Skinny Pop Puffs, 75 cents off a Del Monte, Cobblestone, Sola ice cream. Now some of these deals I don't add because it's going to be on checkout 51. Now here they got back to school stuff. I don't know if that stuff's going to be on checkout 51. I'm going to hold off on that because sometimes when they add that stuff you guys can like reset it, but actually you know what, I'm going to add it. It's $1.50 off the binder, and then here it says buy two get two. And then here we got buy two, get two. So some back to school stuff. Here we got now and laters for Walmart. Kombucha, Viva, 50 cents. Stainmaster, 75 cents. I'm sorry you guys, my camera is just out of whack right now. I don't know why it's doing this. But a lot of these are deals that are already on checkout 51, so I don't want to add it. I think the Talente is, but I'm not sure. So, but usually you want to add the body wash. The body wash one's going to go fast, and I think the back to school stuff's going to go fast. So definitely add those, but I think that might be it for new deals. Saving Star has just been kind of slow lately. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.